Imagine stepping outside on a freezing winter morning. No jacket, no sweater, no blanket. And yet, you survive. It sounds impossible today, but if you could travel back a few million years, your ancestors looked completely different. Their bodies were covered with thick hair, much like modern chimpanzees. So here's the mystery. If fur protects animals from cold, rain, sunlight, and even insect bites, why did humans lose almost all of it? At first, scientists thought the answer was simple. Maybe humans just didn't need fur anymore. But the real story is far more fascinating. Around 2 million years ago, our ancestors began leaving dense forests and moving into open African grasslands. Life there was brutally hot. Unlike forests, there was very little shade. The sun beat down for hours every single day. At the same time, humans developed an incredible new hunting strategy. Instead of chasing animals at full speed for a few seconds, like lions or cheetahs, humans simply kept running, hour after hour. This method is known as persistence hunting. Most animals can sprint incredibly fast, but they overheat quickly. Humans were different. Our bodies evolved one amazing advantage. We sweat. Lots of it. As sweat evaporates from our skin, it removes heat from the body, acting like a natural cooling system. But there's one problem. Thick fur traps heat. Imagine trying to cool yourself while wearing a heavy winter coat in the middle of summer. It wouldn't work very well. Over thousands of generations, individuals with less body hair could stay cooler while running. They hunted longer, survived more often, and passed those traits to their children. Slowly, generation after generation, humans became less hairy. Losing fur created another problem. Without thick hair, our skin was exposed to the blazing African sun. Fortunately, evolution had another solution. Human skin gradually became richer in melanin, the pigment that helps protect us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. In other words, as our bodies lost fur, our skin became stronger against sunlight. But evolution wasn't finished yet. Scientists believe another hidden benefit came from losing body hair. Parasites, ticks, fleas, lice. Animals with thick fur provide perfect hiding places for tiny insects that spread disease. Less fur made these parasites easier to spot and remove. That may have reduced infections and improved survival. But here's something even stranger. Humans didn't lose all their hair. Look at your head. Your hair is still there. Why? Because your brain is extremely sensitive to heat from direct sunlight. Hair acts like a natural umbrella, reducing the amount of heat reaching your scalp while still allowing air to circulate. Even your eyebrows serve an important purpose. They help keep sweat and rain out of your eyes. Your eyelashes protect your vision from tiny insects. Every remaining patch of human hair still has a job. And here's a fact that surprises most people. Humans aren't actually hairless. Your body contains millions of hair follicles. Most of the hairs are simply so thin and short that we barely notice them. In fact, humans have roughly the same number of hair follicles as chimpanzees. The difference isn't how many hairs we have, it's how those hairs evolved. Nature didn't erase them, it simply made most of them smaller. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember this. Your nearly hairless body isn't a mistake, it's one of evolution's greatest engineering projects. It helped humans run farther than almost any other animal, survive under the hottest sun, and eventually spread across every continent on Earth. Sometimes, losing something is exactly what makes a species stronger.